Hello my friends, I'm here with the Fiskars tree trimming pole saw, tree pruning gizmo, and this thing extends to like up to 14 feet. And right now I have it at the shortest distance, like a 6-foot handle, and so this part slides out. Originally it had some kind of mechanism by which a little knob would push through these holes, and that's how you would lock it into place. But I had the problem with that is it kept coming out, and you can see that on either side of the hole it's like worn out or the fiberglass is broken. So it wasn't holding in place. Let's see if I can find the other one. Same deal, you see that? So the little knob that's supposed to stick through this hole and then through this hole, it wasn't working. So I got rid of that system and came up with my own. It's a bolt like this, a 1/4-20 bolt and a wing nut. So I can just put it through. I drilled through both sides of the handle so that I could easily push this through and then screw on the wing nut. And then that stays perfect. So, you know, if I want to extend it more, I know it takes a little bit more time, but it works way better than the original system. And I just extend it out. All right, there's the hole, or I go to the next one. If I want it really tall, there's the hole. I line it up. I push the bolt through. I put the wing nut on. And I'm good to go. And it never comes apart. So you're sawing, it's perfect. It's just a little hack that I designed to make up for the failure of the original part. Thanks for watching.